Hey guys, so we have an idea what specifications the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro is gonna feature, but we haven't seen how the devices looks like in real life, and that's gonna change right now. This is the real life front image of the OnePlus 8 Pro. So OnePlus is finally picking the punch hole selfie shooter, and it's not to the center. This is slightly in between center and left corner, which looks not so great. Design language is like the OnePlus 7 Pro, and that chin is something really slim. It matches the Galaxy S20 and S20 Plus chin size, which looks great. This is the chin size of OnePlus 7 Pro, so for sure it's not just the 8 Pro in the body of 7 Pro, it is a better design than before. The About section confirms Snapdragon 865 Silicon with 5G modem. There is 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. It runs Android 10 and is having model number HD 2023. This image also confirms 6.65 inches AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate, and OnePlus is gonna give you an option for 120Hz at 1080p and 120Hz at 1440p. Samsung may give that option in future, but as of now, it's not there in the Galaxy S20 and S20 Plus. Now the back design. So unwrapping this image, it's having purple color option. You see there are 4 camera sensors on back. One is TOF, ultra wide, telephoto zoom and main 64 megapixel shooter. There's OnePlus 5G branding to the bottom, and this color option looks really cool. This guy says OnePlus has done an amazing job in terms of the camera department, and he also shares an Astro image taken from the OnePlus 8 Pro. So OnePlus is doing what Google did. It looks great. This is the box package of 8 Pro, white box similar to the 7 Pro but with different logo. I still think if you guys have the 7 Pro, there's no need for an upgrade, cause 7 Pro is still an amazing phone with 855 CPU. This thing outperforms even the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, latest and the greatest from Samsung, which has Exynos 990 CPU. I said this before also, Samsung did a huge mistake by launching Exynos 990 S20 Plus in most markets. The OnePlus 8 Pro is for sure gonna destroy the S20 Plus with a single blow, at least in terms of the performance and speed. Yes, for sure I'll test the Galaxy S20 Plus versus OnePlus 8 Pro really soon, so you can subscribe for that thing. OnePlus is also planning to certify the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro series for enterprise program this year. Certified devices must receive security patches within 90 days, and there must be battery life of 8 plus hours, and minimum 2 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of storage should be there. So in the future you can stay assured your device will get these if it is Google's enterprise program certified. That's all guys, thanks so much for watching, like, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.